Hi, welcome to my channel. So it's been a while and I'm back today with the Fat Quarter Shop's Sew Sampler Box. It's a monthly subscription. I'll have links down below if you're interested in checking out the site and getting yourself a box. So let's get this open. I cut the tape, but I haven't opened it yet. So let's see here. There, see, I didn't even have it all the way cut. So it is Patio Picnic. And this is July 2020. And on the back, this month we have 20% off jelly rolls. So if you get your subscription, you get that coupon as well. And this here is the little pamphlet that tells everything that's in the box and the values. And I usually do the fabric last. So let's see what we got here. I'm going to kind of pull this out because I set my camera up a little different and it's a little awkward for me to get into since I did that. So let's see, this first item is, oh okay, this is for, oh I forget what it's called, but you use the paper, you put your fabric on the paper and sew on the lines, so that gives you straight lines and makes it easy to cut it out. It's called Triangles, Half Square Triangles, 1-inch finished half square triangles. Pre-cut friendly. Makes 630 squares. And here is what they look like, finished and unfinished. So it's the 1-inch half square triangle paper, triangles on a roll, number PC100. It says get rolling on half square triangles with the newest addition to the triangles on the roll family. The 1-inch half square triangle paper is made to be used with our favorite quilting staple, the 2.5-inch strip roll. This half square triangle paper stabilizes and guides you to cut accurate, precise, and perfect units that will add wow factor to your next quilt. Retail value is $10.98. Oh great, I did that again. So sorry about that. I'll go around it here. And it's one continuous roll. And you just lay your strip on it and sew where it says to sew. Let's see, the next one is some pins. This is Magic Pins Sampler Pack. Taylor Seville M Pin FQ 2020. So, let me open this up. Here's what they look like. It says the Magic Pins by Taylor Seville feature a heat-resistant comfort grip that are brightly colored so you can always find them. The 19-piece Magic Pins sampler pack includes quilting pins, fork pins, patchwork pins, and extra long pins. And comes in a convenient case. Everything you could want in a pin, these have it totally pinned down. $12.98. So here is, there's only one of these. And it's like bent. I don't know if you can see that. See the bend in it there? I guess this is the fork pin. And these kind of look different sizes. Let's see. These are different sizes. You can see there. Got the green ones that are short, blue a little longer, and the pink are long. So I kind of have them stabilized there. You can see, I hope. There we go. Those are kind of cool. And it's a different shaped little container. Let's see, the next item is Hugo's Amazing Tape, self-adhering reusable tape. Sticks to itself, not to your stuff. 50-foot roll, 1/2-inch wide. That is really clear. If you can see that with my light there, I don't know. I can't tell in my frame, I can't tell if you can see it or not. Usually it ends up that you can, so hopefully you can this time. So it says Hugo's Amazing Tape, 1/2-inch by 16.6 yard roll. Prepare to be amazed by Hugo's amazing tape. Don't worry, there is no magic trick here, just incredibly useful, reusable tape that will stick on only to itself. Wrap your thread to keep it from unraveling. Fashion it into ruler grips and use it to bind up long iron and sewing machine cords. Make sure to keep it someplace secure. It has so many uses, it just might vanish into thin air. $7.24. So let's open this up. Here's the back. Wow. Okay, there we go. So there it is. Super clear. I get a spool here. Got a spool which has a hanging thread. And let's get a piece off of here if we can find the end. Here we go. Oh, that's okay. This is like, it's like a vinyl. It's like vinyl. Strips of vinyl. So we're going to go like this. Cut it here. So there's how it would work on your spool. And it's not sticky at all, see? It's just like vinyl. And it just sticks to itself. So that is cool. Let's see. And here's about the magic pins. Quilting pins, patchwork pins, extra long pins, and 4 pins. Here's the guide. It tells you how many was in there. There's 6 of that, 1, 6, and 6. And they have other ones too. Orange and yellow ones. I can't see what the difference is on there according to the picture. Okay, we have Patio Picnic Quilt Pattern. That's cute. And that's the pattern. Let's see what it says about this. Patio Picnic Quilt Pattern. Traditional and whimsical become fast friends in the Patio Picnic Quilt. A grand quilt block squeezes in a bouquet of darling half-square triangles for a fun yet dropping design. It's a fantastic way to pair up the 21-piece Rollie, Pollie, and 1-inch half-square triangle paper from this month's box. Retail value is $9.98. And I love the colors that that quarter shop uses. They're so bright and cheery. Okay, and then we have the Greatest Hits album quilt. Here's that. Hit all the right notes with the Greatest Hits album quilt. Dedicate this quilt to the most impactful individuals. All the greatest hits in your life with this album quilt. With each unique sampler block, record a memory of someone special to keep it on replay. This is track number 4, retails for $4.98. And now the fabric. So, this is Petite Shades of Summer Rollie Pollie. I will take this off. Here's the UPC. So I haven't been around for a while because well, I lost my dad last month. Unexpectedly. He was, I don't know. He did have AFib, but he never had any signs that he was gonna go anytime soon. He passed away cutting his grass. So that was kind of hard to deal with, and it's still hard to think about, so let's just move on and not really want to talk about it. But that is why I've been gone. So here it is, the colors. It says Sway Through Summer's Scents of Sunflowers, Gardenias, and Daisies from Shades of Summer by Heather Peterson. This adorable 21-piece roly-poly pops with all the bright reds, yellows, teals, and grass greens. Every print is saturated with vibrant color that will paint your quilt perfect for the season. Retail value is $7.98. So I will try to do it this way because it's kind of awkward with the being long strips. So I don't know if I'm going to be in my craft room really anytime soon, because now I have to help my mother. My dad had been collecting things for over 30 years, like cool things like beer signs and pop clock, you know, soda, like Coke and Pepsi and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Clocks, signs, just all kinds of stuff. And he has 30 years worth of that stuff that now I'm trying to sell for him. So, if you're interested, I'll put a link down below. You can go check out my eBay and Posh store for all his clothes. He's a large man, so if you're looking for large men's clothes, I'll have those there on Posh, and there's a few on eBay. So that's what I'm doing, trying to help my mom sell all my dad's stuff so she can have money to fix her house that they've not done because my dad was too busy shopping. It was kind of an investment, but there's a lot to get rid of. So this is super cool fabric, cute, geometrical, floral. There's that one. So that is everything. Like I said, I'll put a link down below. You can check out the website. I don't remember how much the boxes are because I've signed up for this so long ago. But I'll have a link down below. You can go check it out. So I'm not even going to try to fold this because it's being awkward. So we got 2 patterns, fabric, the pins, the amazing tape, and I forget what this is called. It's got a name for it. Triangles on a roll, half square triangles, but I think there's like another name for it. So that is everything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you again soon. Bye.